Gate Precast, a company headquartered in the USA, specializes in reinforced concrete and boasts a distinctive product lineup. The success story revolves around GateLite, a revolutionary facade system set to transform the industry with its user-friendly installation. The panels come pre-assembled, simplifying the construction process like a giant kit and ensuring reliable protection with reinforced concrete. Notable projects featuring GateLite include the Ransom Everglades Private School and a 264-bed hospital. GateLite is a lean architectural concrete skin offering design options similar to traditional precast, providing a complete thermal, vapor, and air barrier. The system eliminates on-site labor hours, enhancing safety as fabrication and assembly are done on the ground before delivery. This approach allows design teams to create true works of art. Prefabrication with GateLite positively impacts speed to market and sustainability goals, improving quality control, safety, reducing waste, and creating healthier working environments. The Baptist Hospital campus in Pensacola, Florida, exemplifies the success of using prefabrication for both exterior and interior components. Traditional prefabricated concrete panels clad other parts with a gatestone finish, providing varying shades and a timeless appearance. This approach aligns with the owner's vision for a resilient, sustainable, and operationally efficient campus that enhances the human experience. Numerous construction projects, particularly older structures, frequently contend with issues such as damp basements or water accumulation. VEINAL, the innovative technology, effectively tackles concerns beyond unpleasant odors and mold in cases of excess water. In just a day or two, it eliminates moisture by drilling channels and injecting silicone resins, forming a 99% successful barrier against moisture penetration. Facing rising damp or wet walls? It provides solutions for your moisture issues. With Silcor's RX80 gel, you can address rising damp by injecting it into your walls. For damp gables or external walls, use Silcor's HG 30 hydrophobic gel to make them water repellent and increase insulation. Prevention is the key to avoid long-term damage from precipitation. This protection prevents issues like damage to plasterwork, mold formation, and heat loss. Rising damp consequences are serious, including damage to plasterwork, mold, and reduced load-bearing capacity of walls. It offers intervention solutions, emphasizing the importance of addressing these issues promptly. Now, let's add another US product to our list. This product enables you to easily and efficiently complete your house with stone veneer, even if you're not a professional. Clipstone's collection offers an effortless solution for creating stunning stone columns inside or outside your home. If you can drive a screw into the wall, you can install this product. The process is reminiscent of playing with Lego, and it's designed to be easy for solo work, requiring no special tools or mortar. Choose from the ProStack or Northern Ledge styles, both providing a timeless stone aesthetic. The ProStack collection features a classic stacked stone appearance with tight joints, surface depth variation, and thick rows. On the other hand, the Northern Ledge style offers a classic ledge stone look with minimal joint variation, slender rows, and easy installation. Forget about the hassle of mortar and masonry skills. Column wrap eliminates the need for them. With everyday tools, screws, and masonry construction adhesive, you can install a 3-foot column in just 30 minutes. It fits 4, 6, or 8-inch PT posts, and each box creates a 1-foot high 14-inch by 14-inch column section that can be stacked to achieve your desired size. The chimneys sourced directly from the Czech Republic leverage the manufacturer's expertise in concrete, offering unparalleled quality and durability. Building with build-up is a simple process that involves just 3 components: blocks, insulation, and ceramic inserts. The blocks, measuring 40 by 40 by 25 centimeters, are user-friendly, allowing customers to construct chimneys themselves if they prefer. Formwork blocks play a key role in the lost formwork system, a method where the formwork doesn't require removal after concrete hardens. These blocks, used permanently in foundations, are common in constructing foundation strips or retaining walls. Compared to traditional bricks, build-up is notably lighter, with the company claiming the material used for the blocks is unparalleled in Central Europe. The lost formwork system reduces concrete consumption and eliminates the need to dismantle the formwork, easily interlock during installation, providing a convenient and efficient solution for construction projects. Construction of a sewage treatment system in the Scottish town of Biggar has posed a significant challenge, even for the UK's largest reinforced concrete manufacturer, McCann. The weather at the construction site changes frequently, especially in Scotland's humid climate. Traditional solid structures aren't ideal due to this, so FP McCann chose a panelized structure with a top panel joint. This choice reduced passive pressure and prevented damage from thermal movement using special neoprene washers. This company provides specialized designs and building service for circular biological filter walls. Their flexible system accommodates various needs and offers low whole life costs, energy efficiency, and minimal maintenance. Unlike other treatment processes, it requires no energy or chemicals and has a low carbon footprint. Traditional brick and concrete filter bed structures often fail due to temperature fluctuations, resulting in excessive stress. FP McCann's filter beds use a patented panel-to-panel connection assembly to mitigate this issue, enhancing structural integrity and flexibility. This design ensures durability and long-term serviceability, with many structures lasting over 40 years. Ready for a long upgrade old deck or patio? Bid farewell to cracked concrete or faded wood, suggests an American retailer. Century Outdoor Deck board tiles offer a practical and appealing solution for outdoor flooring. These tiles mimic the look of real wood with a natural wood grain pattern, providing an aesthetic appeal without the weight and installation challenges of traditional composite deck boards. Constructed from 100% recyclable bamboo wood fiber and polymeric resins, these tiles are environmentally friendly. Measuring 12 inches by 12 inches with a thickness of 7 or 8 inch, each tile weighs 2.4 pounds. They are suitable for various outdoor spaces, such as patios, balconies, gardens, and courtyards. For more, they are ideal for use around pools and in outdoor showers, as they resist rot, mold, and insects. Installation is straightforward, starting from the front left corner and working outward. The tiles interlock, creating a seamless appearance. When encountering obstacles or edges, simply measure and cut with a utility knife, leaving a gap for a polished finish. Like many other countries, Italy is grappling with energy challenges. In August alone, prices surged by around 76%, prompting governments to actively explore alternatives. General Membrane's advanced waterproofing materials are a result of substantial investments in technology, research, development, and quality. These materials stand out for their exceptional durability and performance, capable of withstanding the test of time. The company's mission, encapsulated in the slogan, "Stop the water, catch the sun," is embodied in the General Solar PV system. This integrated flexible photovoltaic waterproof system represents a breakthrough in solar energy utilization. The system, designed by General Membrane, aims to protect roofs while harnessing solar power without compromising durability or waterproofing integrity. The General Solar PV system features a bituminous waterproof layer coupled with a flexible photovoltaic laminate. This innovative solution ensures that even roofs with complex geometries remain safe to walk on after installation. Notably, the company has successfully implemented this system in various projects, including a groundbreaking 25 megawatt solar project in Naples, the largest of its kind globally. To accommodate existing roofs with bituminous membranes, General Membrane recommends incorporating a layer of Phoenix Solartech bituminous membrane for optimal adherence when installing the flexible photovoltaic laminate. ASAC is Norway's leading provider of concrete products, specializing in retaining walls. Firstly, it holds a patent for an interlocking system. Secondly, the blocks are sized at 120 by 60 by 90 centimeters, enabling faster wall construction compared to competitors. Lastly, the assembled wall seamlessly blends into the landscape with designs inspired by Norway's nature. Verti-Block is the ideal choice for large retaining wall solutions that combine stability and aesthetics. Its unique size, shape, and usability make it suitable for both private and public facilities like schools, parks, and road constructions. The blocks are well suited for landscaping projects, offering affordability and easier handling. They facilitate faster and more efficient installation compared to smaller masonry blocks. They meet various requirements, offering flexibility for both private and public facilities. With production occurring locally at 3 ASAC factories in Norway, the blocks are environmentally friendly, with lower weight and transportation costs. The assortment includes 2- and 3-sided blocks, providing a neat finish above ground level, and offers a total of 24 different block types to suit diverse needs. Sandy City, Utah, USA is experiencing a thriving local economy, prompting a property developer to construct warehouses and office buildings in the area. To accommodate this development, they have constructed a warehouse and office space in the city. Opting for efficiency and cost-effectiveness, Capital Roofing Service chose a hybrid roofing system for the project, featuring expanded polystyrene insulation from Insulfoam. This approach minimizes thermal bridging, ensuring energy efficiency. The use of EPS insulation significantly reduced costs, saving double digits per square foot compared to other insulation options. James Fiscus of Capital Roofing Service emphasized the ease of handling and cutting EPS, leading to labor savings and allowing crews to focus on more time-consuming tasks. The lightweight nature of EPS played a crucial role in overcoming project challenges, such as limited storage space and a small work area. The insulation's easy maneuverability enabled faster unloading and facilitated ground-to-roof loading. The final touch to the hybrid roof system was the installation of a VersiWeld TPO membrane from Versico, Insulfoam's sister company. This membrane, applied with Cav Grip spray adhesive, ensured compatibility and efficiency. The integrated system provided a 20-year warranty, meeting the owner and architect's requirements. In Australia, efforts are being made to enhance the comfort of Melbourne's growing population by creating a new park area. Engineers successfully redesigned a heritage-listed sewage system in Melbourne's west. Utilizing Rigofil STB blocks made of polypropylene, they combined wastewater storage and filtration capabilities. The blocks, measuring 31.5 by 31.5 by 26 inches, boast a storage capacity of 107 gallons. Notably, their easy installation facilitated by a small team led to an impressive outcome. The main outfall sewer pipeline reserve, a heritage site, is being transformed into a parkland to serve as a vibrant space connecting communities in Melbourne's west. It aims to repurpose 22 million of stormwater annually for parkland irrigation, creating an appealing green space. The Rigofil STB storage system, delivering 3 cubic meters of water storage per linear meter, seamlessly integrated with the MOS channel. Next is a practical water drainage solution that complements paving stands and tiles. The Adjustable Height Paver Drain, a versatile PVC and aluminum deck drain system, suitable for both new projects and renovations. Its height-adjustable upper part makes it adaptable for various applications. Crafted from durable PVC and aluminum, it can be easily installed on concrete or sand bases. The product comes in different sizes, ranging from compact versions to 5-foot-long variants. An affordable option, each unit cost only $36. Ideal for creating paver decks, this drain system features a unique design with a top cap for added rigidity and a built-in tray on the base for securely setting the pavers. Now, let's discuss a couple of power projects. The first one is in Germany, where workers are installing a cable for 110 kilowatts of voltage. It is set to link multiple substations, supporting the expansion of the network, especially beneficial with nearby large factories like the Mitsubishi paper factory in Flansburg. This initiative aims to improve energy exchange between Germany and Norway through the NordLink green cables. Therefore, Germany can supply energy from wind turbines, while Norway benefits from hydroelectric installations, and approximately 3.6 million households can now receive energy from this project. With 1,700 employees, Hansa Werk Group is a major energy service provider in northern Germany. Collaborating with subsidiaries like Hansa Werk Natur and Hansagas, they operate electricity, gas, and heating networks in over 1,000 municipalities. This group is also a significant operator of efficient combined heat and power plants, working towards being climate neutral by 2030. It ensures a reliable energy supply around the clock and supports customers in connecting photovoltaic systems and transitioning to electromobility. As a municipal partner, it provides safe and reliable electricity, gas, and heat through energy networks, offering diverse energy solutions and services. Kingspan Group, an Irish company, specializes in enhancing roofs through their expertise and services. They operate around 210 factories, producing versatile Unidek Aero light panels. These panels, made of plywood foam with stiffening ribs, seamlessly complementing various materials like tile and slate. With a noise insulation rating of 36 decibel, they integrate well with windows. The installation process is expedited through specially designed self-drilling screws. The Unidek panels consist of EPS platinum core with integrated stiffeners. They are suitable for roofs with slopes ranging from 20 degree to 70 degree and can be covered with tiles or slates. Additional recommendations for roof coverings on gentle slopes are provided by roofing suppliers. They are compatible with most skylights, eliminating the need for additional reinforcement. Borenberg's Bouwbedrijf, facing constraints on hinged covers for a project, found Unidek GateLite to be an affordable alternative. The contractor, experimenting with the sawing service, received neatly cut-to-size roof elements, making them the ideal solution for this particular construction in Bergijk.